Using Buffer for social media management is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. We can use Buffer for social media management to connect our channel, publish posts, and schedule them. First, let's visit the learning page of buffer.com. Here, it displays how you can grow your audience organically across all platforms. To get started, click on Start Creating on the next screen, which prompts you to get clicks with your reserve. On the following screen, you'll see the option to try Buffer for free since we are new and have just created our account. Now, you'll notice that we are directed to the main dashboard of Buffer. Our next step is to connect our first channel to the dashboard. To do this, click on Create Post, located at the top right corner. Here, you'll find the option to create a post and connect a channel. Before creating a post, we need to connect our channel. Clicking on Connect Channels will display various options such as YouTube, TikTok, Google Business Profile, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. In this example, I will connect my Facebook account, but you can choose any option you prefer. After clicking on Facebook, a pop-up appears asking us to select either a Facebook page or a Facebook group. I'll choose the Facebook page and then click on Start Connecting. Your browser will request permissions, and you need to click Yes. After a few seconds, your profile page will appear. Just click Add to Buffer and you're all set. Now, let's proceed to create a post again. Upon clicking the Create Post option, you'll see the option to select a file. Choose the post or reel you want to share and add captions to it. Once you're finished, you'll have two options. You can save it as a draft, add it to the queue, or publish it right away. Simply make your selection, and congratulations, your post has been added.